This is a 68 class that we just rebuilt for somebody. It's a regular bobbin machine. Last 3 digits on the serial number is 981. Basically, we stripped the machine, we repainted it, changed whatever parts needed to be changed. That's not our cam, but cam was still good, so we left that alone. Clamp was still good. We just went over basically everything on the stop motion and underneath. So this is sewing 3 layers. Right now it's 2 layers. And this is 3 layers. The only thing we don't know is what size pulley he has on the stand. That'll only affect how it physically stops. This is 3 layers. Okay?